So this is an add-on to my AI for Quantum series. Red team scenarios, tabletop, and technical exercises. So why red teaming is non-optional? This episode exists for two reasons. One, because you all wanted it, you all asked for it. And two, controls you've never tested do not exist. AI for quantum systems, they fail in subtle ways. Red teaming is how you surface those failures safely. So let's understand scenario 1. Poison calibration data to degrade fidelity by 2%. Objective: reduce system fidelity slightly without triggering alarms. And why this matters? A 2% drop may be commercially or scientifically significant, but it looks like normal noise. And what are you testing? Drift detection, baseline quality metrics, alert thresholds. I'm Nupur Mitra, a legal and governance risk translator for AI systems. You all already know me by now. I'm a lawyer by profession. On the AI law in this channel, I unpack how AI security flaws, governance failures, and model behavior, they all turn into real legal exposure, rights issues, and the future of jurisprudence. So now let's understand scenario 2. Swap decoder weights to bias-specific circuits. Objective: introduce biased decoding for selected patterns. And why does this matter? Targets: correctness, not availability. Extremely hard to detect without integrity controls. And what are you testing here? Model signing, deployment gates, audit logs. Scenario 3. Exfiltrate telemetry via support bundle. Objective: extract sensitive telemetry using legitimate workflows. And why this matters? Most real leaks, they happen through support and debugging, not through hacking. So what are you testing here? Data minimization, access logging, export awareness. Scenario 4. Introduce malicious dependency in ML runtime. Objective: alter behavior via a compromised dependency. Why this matters? Supply chain attacks are common. Machine learning ML stacks, they have deep dependency trees. And what are you testing? SBOM accuracy, dependency pinning, vulnerability response. Scenario 5. Cross-border dataset exposure via cloud misconfiguration. Objective: trigger a deemed export without human intent. Why this matters? This is how real export violations happen. What are you testing? Region enforcement, IAM correctness, logging and detection. Red team success is not preventing the attack. It is detection time, containment effectiveness, quality of evidence, clarity of customer communication. Those are what regulators and customers care about. So now let's analyze the key takeaways here. 1. The real security threat is dual use capability. The threat is not quantum supremacy or futuristic crypto analysis. The threat is ML in the loop capability, creating new attack surfaces today. That's already happening. 2. Data, models, and accelerators are crown jewels, not just code. Telemetry, model weights, control outputs, decoders, firmware. These assets, They define competitive advantage and risk exposure. Protect them accordingly. 3. Export compliance must be engineering enforced. Policy alone will fail. Compliance must be embedded in IAM, enforced in infrastructure, logged automatically. This protects the company as much as the country. Takeaway 4. Evidence is as important as controls. Logs, lineage, signing, and SBOMs, they're not bureaucracy. They are customer trust, legal defensibility, and operational clarity. If you can't prove it, you don't have it. So, security maturity in quantum systems is not optional. It is a prerequisite for scale, a differentiator in the market, and a shield against existential risk. If you work on AI, security, or law and want to understand what actually gets you sued and what should change, you are in the right place. Subscribe to my channel. This channel analyzes AI security legal risk, AI liability in practice, and AI governance compliance risk. We look at how AI system design, architecture, and runtime controls, they create legal risk in AI systems, AI model vulnerabilities and compliance failures, AI runtime controls and legal exposure, and how AI tooling risk translates to law for developers, security engineers, and governance teams. This episode exists for 2 reasons. 1, because you all wanted it, you all asked for it, and 2, controls you've never tested do not exist. AI for quantum systems, they fail in subtle ways. Red teaming is how you surface those failures safely.